In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact form in Mailchimp in 2026. We're going to set up the essential audience details that power your contact form so the information people submit ends up clean, organized, and ready for campaigns. Start by signing into Mailchimp and heading to the audience area. You'll find audience in the left-hand panel. This is where all contact data lives, and it's the foundation for any form you'll share later. Click Audience to open your contacts. In the audience view, look to the top right and select Add Contacts. This menu gives you two paths, importing a list or adding a single contact. Import is great when you already have a spreadsheet of people who've given you permission to be contacted. If you're just setting things up or testing your form fields, choose Add a Single Contact for a clear, guided flow. On the single contact screen, begin with email address. This is the primary identifier for Mailchimp, so type it carefully and only add addresses you have permission to use. If you rely on double opt-in, make sure the address belongs to someone who expects to hear from you. Next, fill in first name and last name. These fields enable personalization in subject lines and merge tags, which can lift engagement. Keep capitalization consistent so your emails look polished. Add the address if you plan to segment by location or need details for compliance and reporting. Enter it in full, including city, state, or region, postal code, and country. Accurate address data can help with targeted campaigns, like local events or region-specific promotions. Select the phone number field if you collect it. Include the correct country code and format, and only capture phone numbers if you'll use them responsibly and in line with SMS or telemarketing rules in your region. It's perfectly fine to leave this blank if it's not part of your strategy. Enter the birthday if you'd like to trigger date-based automations, such as birthday messages. Many teams prefer month and day only, keeping it simple while still enabling timely campaigns. Add tags to categorize the contact. Tags are like quick labels. Think lead, customer, or web form. They're flexible, stackable, and excellent for simple segmentation without restructuring your audience. When everything looks accurate, click Add Contact to save. That's it. Your audience now reflects the fields your contact form will capture. Whether you import many contacts or add one for testing, this setup ensures your future form submissions flow smoothly into Mailchimp, complete with the details you need for personalization and segmentation.